Hey guys, it's Candy. So I have a package from Elfinhair. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. First and foremost, we have a wig cap if you want to use it. And we have the informational booklet with all of the details. We also have a melting band or a edge band. Pink is their color. So we also have a pink bonnet with their name and the logo on it. We have an edge comb and a brush. And the star of the show, we have voila! This is a 24-inch Burmese curly glueless invisible half wig, a mouthful. On the inside of the cap, you have 3 combs in the front, and in the back, you do have an adjustable strap that you can use for security. And they also do have a drawstring, yes. So that is adjustable also, so that will help to make the wig even more secure. Now, looking at the wig itself on the inside, you can tell that it is very breathable, yes, by the look of how it is constructed. And so you definitely will not be uncomfortable wearing this. Now, you can see in the front, at the front of the wig, how it has that illusion as if it is invisible, and so the hair will definitely look as if it's growing out of the scalp. All right, so let's get ready to get right into the installation process because we are super duper excited. Hey guys, so hair is already washed and stretched, and this is the wig. Let me put that aside while I start to prep my hair. We are doing, you guessed it, we are doing the Fulani braids, guys. This hairstyle is very much on trend, and so we have been doing this style a lot. So I will be switching up the braid pattern though. So I start with a side part, then I'm going to be actually making a curved part. Yes, so the first row of braid will be done on this curved section of hair. I am adding a little bit of styling product just to smooth down the hair. Then I section off a tiny piece to start braiding, and we're just going to be braiding the front of the hair. Easy breezy. As I said before, this style, it gives you a lot of liberty for your creativity to just grow wild or go wild. So if you want to do it very basic, you can. If you want to get very technical, go right ahead. So I'm trying to do something a little bit different. So I'm going ahead and doing another curved part on the other side. Yes, and for the most part it's gonna be a series of alternate parts, similar parts, curved parts, until I start doing them straight on the sides. But you guys will see. If you guys need me to do a dedicated tutorial, yeah, showing you guys a start to finish just the braid part of the style, I can perhaps do that separately, but this video is really not about a tutorial how to do the Fulani braids, but more so featuring the half wig. All right, so yeah, so for these two corner braids, I do braid along my hairline a bit, and then I curve that one braid back. Same thing on the opposite side. So for the most part, I try to make it a little bit symmetrical. So now that everything is braided, I am now ready to install. Now guys, this hair is super soft to the touch, and it has a natural shine. It is a 200% density, so it's pretty full. So I'm just spraying some water on it because I'm going to do the ultimate shedding test. Yes, I'm brushing it with a detangle brush. And just by doing that, I can tell that it is tangle free. And guess what, guys? No shedding. Look in the brush, guys. Absolutely no shedding. So I'm just adding a little bit of mousse just to help with the definition of the curls. And yeah, we're gonna get right into the installation, guys. So let's get ready for the main event, and this is 100% human hair, so let's go. All right, so guys, we are prepped now. Yeah, look a little bit decent. And so I'm going to show you guys how I do the installation. It's so easy. So I just go ahead and loosen that drawstring in the back. Yeah, and once you do that, you're going to just position the wig in such a way that the middle comb is at the center of your head. And that is the first thing that I will insert into my hair. Yeah, so just gently insert that comb into your braids. And once I do that, I go ahead and do the same thing with the side combs. Now, when I tell you this is a literally a 1 minute installation process, guys, I cannot make this up. So yeah, just securing the other side. And then once the front is secure, guys, it is pretty much, yeah, game over. So we're gonna go in the back, pull the wig all the way down. And the only thing that I'm gonna do is adjust the drawstring. I'm not even gonna mess with the band. You could use the band if necessary, but for me it was pretty secure as is. Guys, look at that. Look at the invisibleness. The invisibleness of it all. And I was quite comfortable with it as is, but if you want to, you could even tease that lining area in the front there just to make it look a little bit more natural. But trust me, this for me was so perfect. I did not have to do anything. I love how the curls are nice and bouncy, juicy, fluffy. This wig is also very durable, guys. With proper maintenance, you can keep this wig for well over a year and beyond. So yeah, this is how it looks in the back, guys. I am just loving it. And the fact that the girlies can DIY this style and make it look like it was done by a professional, it's a win-win. Shout out to Elfinhair for this 24-inch Burmese curly glueless invisible half wig. Yes, links will be left down below and a discount code for you guys. And not because it's a wig, it doesn't mean that you cannot switch it up, okay? So I'm just doing a one shoulder vibe, yeah, just testing the waters with this look, and it looks really nice, really elegant. And the braids in the front complements the wig perfectly. It's just so cute, yeah? Very lightweight, absolutely weightless, but looks ever so full. That's what I love about it, the fact that it's so dense. So guys, yeah, so that is it for today. Elfinhair, you did that. Yes, with this hair, it's a win. Thumbs up to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys. So go ahead and comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this hair, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.